there's a few things you want to identify that you want on your profile. Your location. And when you go through settings, and I'll walk through this in our screen share towards the end, what you can do is it allows you to select location. If you're not national, which I doubt most real estate agents are, they're very local, you definitely want to put that there. You want to talk about area reviews, popular home styles in your area, a little bit of what you were talking about, Chris, with some of the blog post ideas, decor trends, what people are searching. With the whole fixer upper movement and the Gaineses, there's a lot of this modern farmhouse style and people really interested in that type of look. It's important that you know that Pinterest searchers are using those specific keywords in the home styles, in the decor trends on Pinterest. And so that's where that blog post really helps support a lot of those searches, is because you can kind of tap into that a little bit. What are the top 5 trends in home styles for 2019? And those are the things that are going to hook in the Pinterest user.
Interesting. Yeah. I mean, it's interesting that you point that out, because Google did a study a few years ago, and what they found with people who are for people who are searching for a home, or looking at, real estate online and actively searching for real estate online, what they found was there was a really strong correlation between the same people who are searching for real estate as the same people were also searching for, the home design trends, home decor, home decoration. So there's a strong correlation between that searcher, meaning they are also thinking about what their home is going to be like when they move into that home, when they purchase it.
Yes, exactly. And it's kind of, I had a contractor tell me once, he said, I love Pinterest. He said, I love Pinterest because women go on there and they look for all these ideas, and men too. They go on there, look for all these ideas, and then they present to me the idea, and then they end up spending way more money, right? Because the idea is so fantastic. But I think that's the same way that you could potentially use Pinterest with clients, is have your clients create a Pinterest board so that you can get to see what they love and what they like. And this is also a really good opportunity to help, let's say you're meeting with a client and you say, I'm on Pinterest, kind of searching around. Are you on Pinterest too? I would love for you to share a board with me so I can see what style that you like. And then instantly, if you've created this connection with your buyer and they're like, well, yeah, I'm on Pinterest. I'm pinning all the time. I'm dreaming, and they get to tap into that. So that's really just a unique way to use it that I didn't have planned to share with you guys. But I think that is such a huge one to build awareness that you're on Pinterest.